Now this cross liability cover it is given when multiple contractors they are working at a project site. Then it is required. This cross liability cover is required. See, third party liability is built-in cover under the policy under section 2. Section 1 covers material damage. Section 2 covers third party liability. Okay. So what about cross liability? Now let me explain what do we mean by cross liability. So what it says, to cover the all subcontractors, when multiple contractors are working, they are subcontractors named in the policy schedule. Now the implication of this cross liability cover is that by virtue of attaching this cross liability cover, it means insurance company agrees that it will be treated as if separate policy has been issued to each subcontractor subparty. Now when it will operate if the property of one contractor is damaged by other contractor while carrying out their defined scope of work during the construction work. If the property of one contractor means uska CPM equipment crane is damaged by another contractor, by the negligence of another contractor. So instead of going in court of law, it is better insurance company says, don't worry, I will settle your claims of both the contractors under this policy, provided you have gone for cross liability cover. Now, please understand, there is an exclusion. This extension will not pay these two things. What is that? Project material loss is not covered. This is very important because project material is already covered under CAR or ER policy. What it will cover? CPM equipments. Understand? So loss or damage to the product material covered under the policy, even if they are not recoverable due to an excess or any limit. So in this situation, the contractors are compelled or they are motivated to recover their loss under cross liability cover. So this exclusion clearly says your project material damage loss will be recovered under CAR or ER policy. Sometimes it may be denied. Why? Due to application of excess or loss limit. The policy has a loss limit of 50 crores and loss is 80 crores. In that case, remaining 30 crores, he will try to recover under this extension. That is not possible, number one. Number two, fatal or non-fatal injuries. I told you, na, third party liability. So fatal or non-fatal injuries or illness of employees or workmen, this is not covered under cross liability. Why? This is covered under workman compensation policy. Now what it says, even though they are not insured under workman compensation or employees liability insurance. Say for example, there is no WC. In case of WC, the contractor will not lodge a claim under cross liability cover. Okay. So what this denial says, exclusion says, even suppose he has forgot, so he has not taken workman compensation or employer's liability policy. They have not taken. In that case, again, if there is a non-fatal injury or illness of or employee, there is an injury, in that case, this cross liability cover will not pay. Understood? And this limit of liability not to exceed indemnity limit. Whatever indemnity limit you have selected, it will not come your unlimited cover. No, sir. It will come with indemnity limit selected at the time of taking the policy. So the upper limit is indemnity limit selected.